Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy. If you're new here, I want to wish you a warm welcome. And if you're returning, I want to say thank you for your support. It truly means a lot. Now in today's video, I will be sharing a recipe for creamy salmon pasta. If you're a seafood or a pasta lover, you will definitely love this one. But before we jump right in, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Now let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Here I have my salmon already washed in lemon juice, and I chopped them into cubes. I also pat them dry. I have here some rigatoni noodles I'll be using. I have heavy cream, some mild cheddar and gouda cheese. I have cream cheese and some parmesan cheese. I have onion, parsley, minced garlic, and I have some butter here. I also will be using some bell peppers, and for my seasonings I have creole seasoning, paprika, complete seasoning, bouillon, and black pepper. Let's go ahead and season our salmon using some oil, garlic, and onion powder, complete seasoning, Old Bay, and black pepper. What you want to do is combine all of your seasonings, then drizzle that oil over top of the salmon. Then you want to generously coat the salmon with the seasonings, mix well, and allow to sit and marinate for about 20 minutes. In a pot of boiling water, I will now add some salt, and then I'll add my noodles. And you want to let your noodles boil to your desired texture. Everyone don't like their noodles the same way, so you want to cook it the way you like it. Once it's done, drain and allow to sit until the next step. In a preheated skillet, I did add some oil, and now I will add my salmon. I will add a little at a time so as to not overcrowd the pan. Now you want to cook these for about 4 minutes in total, and make sure that you keep turning them so that they get a good sear on all sides. You don't want to cook them long because they are chopped really small, and if you overcook them, they will become super dry. We don't want no dry salmon in our dish. So total cooking time should be 4 minutes. Once they're done, we'll remove them and repeat the same process. In the same skillet, I will add some butter, allow that to melt. Once it melts, we'll add our onions, garlic, and our peppers. We'll give it a good toss and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes, just allowing them to soften up nicely and release those flavors. Next, you want to add the heavy cream, and we'll allow it to come up to a simmer before we add our cheese. At this point, you should turn your heat down to low, or you could take it completely off and then start adding in your cheese, because you don't want to cook cheese on high heat. Once we've added all of the cheese, we will go ahead and stir this until the cheese melts. Once it melts, we will add our seasoning. And I forgot to mention that you should save some of your pasta water so that if your cheese mixture gets too thick, you can dilute it with the pasta water. Once this is nice and tasty, we will taste, make sure it suits our liking. We will go in and add our pasta. Once the pasta is added, you want to give it a good mix, and then we'll top it off with some fresh parsley and red pepper flakes. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now, if you want, you can add your salmon in here and mix it all together, or you can have your salmon on the side or just top it with the salmon on top. I will just be topping mine with the salmon, and that's it, guys. Let me plate this up and show y'all the finished product. And here you have it, my version of creamy salmon pasta. It was absolutely divine, full of flavor, creamy, cheesy, and everything you would want in a pasta dish. I really do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!